Hey guys, and welcome to a short quick video. So I got this question so many times that I have a charger. I try to click on the button, open the charging port for my Tesla, and it didn't work. So what should I do? Should I go inside the car or to unlock the charging port, or what's going on? So uh, I can tell you what I do. So we have the charger. I press the button and nothing happened. Hello, 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 wake up. Well, doesn't like to work. So what should I do? Now there's one way. Go inside the car or go into your mobile, open it, unlock the charging port, and should work. But I have a simple solution for you. So if this doesn't work, that means that your car is in a very deeply sleep mode. So all you have to do, press halfway until you can hear the something like a relay open, and now the car is basically, if you just press the halfway the handle, you unlock, you wake up the car. Now the car is in a wake up mode. Press the button and that's it. Plug your charging port and you're good to go. So hopefully this will solve some of the questions. I show you how I do, and I think this is probably the easiest solution rather than open your phone or go inside the car and unlock and so on and so on. So have a great day. See you on the next one.